What's up, YouTube? It is officially the day that the Gamma's release. I don't know if you can see it, but JD Sports, I think they already got a line. It's like 6 something in the morning. I'm not gonna lie. I don't do this line stuff, but for these Gamma 11s, gotta get them. So we're gonna do the line. It's like 6 something. Don't lie, it's like 6 something in the morning. Close to 7 o'clock. And guess what? Snipes don't even have a line. I called and they said that they open up at 8 o'clock and they're gonna have the Gammas. So the fact that there's no line here, no, I'm tripping. It's a little bit of a line, but not too long. Oh no, I'm tripping. It's still not too long. Anyway, this is what you do. So anyway, I should secure a pair and then go to work. I'm actually going to work a little bit late because I want to get a pair, but I really want some coffee. So I'll get out in this line. And hopefully next time you see me, I'm going to be doing a review on the Gamma 11s. Fingers crossed. What's up, YouTube? You can tell by this smile. You heard about the journey of me waiting in line. So approximately, I waited in line for almost 2 hours. Snipes opened up at 8 o'clock. I didn't get to officially go inside till about maybe 8:50, 8:45, 8:50. Either or, almost a 2-hour wait. And guess what? They sold out in my size, which was crazy because the line, I was like mid-line and I felt like the line wasn't really that long. But anyway, to make a long story short, I had to settle for half a size. In my head, it was like, it's only a half a size. It's not like it's, my grade school size is 7. And so for me, it was just like thinking on the spot, like, yo, I just waited in line for almost 2 hours. You don't have a 7. Okay, I'll take the 6.5. Let me know if that's what you would have did, because for me, it was just like, I'm not waiting almost 2 hours. It's a half a size. And to be honest, worst case scenario, I don't think it'll fit the way a 7 fits, but I think if anything, when we were younger, like, we actually took the soles out. If there was a sneaker that we really wanted, they didn't have our size, then what we would do is take the sole out and they would fit. I would prefer not to take the sole out, but if that's what it comes to, then that's what it comes to. But anyway, actually, I absolutely love these. This is actually my first time taking a look at this in hand, because I feel like even with the box size, I feel like the box size, okay, we got, look, this is a real live reaction. We got, I don't know what's going on with these shoelaces, but yeah, they were like $200 and something, which means that these shouldn't be clipped. All right, come on, Nike. We gotta do better. Anyway, something I could fix. But so, friend, we got that on the shoelaces. Beautiful shoe. I love the fact that it's patent leather. The cap and gowns, I think, are pretty dope, but the fact that it has like this type of blue, I really like that. This is what the bottom looks like. You can even see it's icy, but you can even see like a Jordan on the bottom of it. That's pretty dope. Then we got some mesh up here that's all black. And then we got the Jordan with the blue. I feel like this blue is fire. Like, black in general is fire. The patent leather and all of that is cool and dandy or what have you. But when it comes to this little blue, this type of blue, I feel like this makes the shoe pop. The downside of that is that I just went to do like a little bit of shopping, and to be honest, I feel like this blue is going to be very difficult to match up. It's like you can wear pretty much like all black with it, and it's cool, it'll pop. You know what I'm saying? If you throw on something all black, but if you want to bring out the blue, oh, it's not going to sell out. When it comes to the Gamma 11s, they have a lot in stock, and so that it won't sell out. I was on a line that was a mediocre line. You know what I'm saying? I could say I probably had about maybe give or take 15 people in front of me. Size 12 and 13 sold out. My size sold out. With a line that I was on when the store opened. It's not like I got there at 10 or 11. No. So anyway, to make a long story short, I really, really love it. I love the icy soles. I love the fact that it's black all over, but just that accent of blue. I really, really love this shoe. I think I'm a little bit concerned only because I feel like this blue is going to be difficult to find. But it's cool. So this is what it looks like on the inside. And see, it's a 6.5. 6.5. So I had to pretty much that's my thumbnail. I pretty much had to go down in size, but it's cool. It's a half a size. I'm pretty sure it's not going to make all the difference in the world. I think this is all in and out a good shoe. Let me know if you got it, if you didn't get it. They did sell out in a lot of places, a lot of sizes, but nevertheless, I got mine. This is like, and the moral of the story is treat yourself. I think it's super important. This is probably the best Christmas present to myself. When you work hard, you play hard. It's good to treat yourself. It's self-care. Love these sneakers. Can't wait to style them. Like, comment, subscribe on the YouTube and see what I pair these up with. But to be honest, when it comes to these, I'm actually going to let it sit for a little bit until I could actually find something blue. I could throw on something all black, but for the most part, I do want to make sure that I highlight the blue and make this blue pop. So it might have to sit for a little bit. But anyway, hopefully everybody is looking forward to the holidays. Hopefully you got a pair and you don't have to pay reseller prices